Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned diced tomatoes full guide. Choose ripe, firm tomatoes and wash them thoroughly before coring. Blanch tomatoes for 2 minutes, then transfer to ice water and peel. Dice tomatoes evenly and combine with measured salt and bottled lemon juice for safe acidity. Pack hot tomatoes into sterile jars, maintain 1/2 inch headspace, seal lids, and process in a boiling water bath. Start by gathering supplies: jars, lids, kettle, pot, and a jar lifter. Sanitize jars by boiling for 10 minutes, then keep them hot until use. Measure 1 teaspoon of salt per quart and 1/2 cup bottled lemon juice per quart to ensure acidity. Use a sharp knife and a cutting board to dice uniformly. Keep workspace organized to move quickly when packing hot tomatoes into jars for safely processing. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy fresh tomato aromas, consider Little Tree's black ice as a cheeky way to keep your car smelling great after grocery runs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more canning guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick up one to freshen your ride after tomato runs. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Keep a timer and record processing times for different jar sizes to ensure safety. Process pints for 35 minutes and quarts for 45 minutes at sea level, adjusting for altitude as needed. After processing, remove jars and cool on a towel, leaving undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Check seals before storing. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and used within a few days. Label jars with content and pack date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.